Dropshipping is cool, but what makes it more cooler is the ability to start dropshipping business at a zero budget. Even if you don't have a dime, you don't need to bother about paying for Shopify store or running ads. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 in dropshipping every day without having to pay a dime. Stick with me to the end of this video. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and before I begin, I want to genuinely apologize for not posting for a couple of months on YouTube. I am really sorry. I had so much on my plate which I had to handle, but today I am here with a big video that is really going to change your life today. So to make up for my mistake for not posting for quite some time, I brought a video. I want to share a video with you all, and I'm going to show you how you can make $500 in how you can make $500 in dropshipping, how you can start dropshipping business without having a website or a Shopify store or paying for ads. I'm going to show you how you can do that today. So all I want from you is to stick with me till the end of this video, and I'm going to share with you the exact step you can leverage to make to start a dropshipping business even if you don't have a dime, if you don't have a budget, or you're a low budget, or you've never even thought of starting this dropshipping. I'm going to show you how you can do that today. And one of the best thing, or the most interesting thing about this model of business is, number one, I've never most entrepreneurs don't speak about this module of business. I rarely hear entrepreneurs speaking about this module of business. And number two, it is passive income. Now that is the goal. You just set it up once and it becomes viral. It's passive. Now, I'm not promising you instant results. I'm not doing that. But I am promising you something that if you put your mind into it and you really desire to be successful with this model of business, you're really going to make it. So it's a very simple business. And for this module, we're going to be making use of Etsy and Pretify. So it's not loaded. Etsy, yeah, this is Pretify. We're going to be making use of Etsy and Pretify. So Etsy is a marketplace like Amazon or any kind of e-commerce store where you can build your store free of charge without paying a dime on Etsy and sell on Etsy. So all you need to do now to sell on Etsy, it's free. Also, it's very free to start. You don't need to pay anything, as I promised. I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping business without paying anything. So Etsy is free. You can go ahead and sign up for Etsy. As you can see, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to sign up because this is my own profile. This is my own account. I practice what I teach. I also do this for passive income. So if you sign up, for you to begin to sell on Etsy, you go sell on Etsy. Yeah. So when you click sign and sell on Etsy, you're going to be on this page, and regardless of how your own page is going to look like, this is what you're going to see. You open your store. So here we're going to sign up. After signing up, we're going to open our store. Guys, this is for free. You don't need to pay anything. Literally, it's totally free, and it's a worldwide opportunity. So we're here. We're going to choose a shop language to English. Obviously, I'm in Malaysia, so I can choose any shopping country I want. If I want maybe the world the world market, I can decide to choose the United Kingdom or the United States. As we all know, United States is like a worldwide marketplace, so you can choose that. You can choose what best is like yourself. So you can just sign up for all this, and maybe this sell up. I always sell part time but hope to sell full time. So you can just decide to choose any of this category that best suits you. So after you sign up, you can just go back to Etsy. So normally I'm going to give you a recommendation on how to do this. which I am going to do now. Now on Etsy, before you start any kind of selling on Etsy, I always recommend you go to the Etsy, the marketplace. These are for jewelry. If you're interested in selling jewelry, you can come here. You can check out what is selling in the jewelry market. So when you check out, you find your passion in the jewelry market. You find your passion in jewelry market, then you can start selling anything related to jewelry. Or you want to sell anything about shoes, women's shoes or men's shoes or both, you can just come here and choose what you want to sell. Now let's go to clothing. Let's take an example, clothing. So we're in clothing and shoes here. So this is a shirt, right? It has 3 stars. Like, want to check for, yeah, so this one. Now this shirt right here is, it has 9,500 reviews. This is a wallet. Now, which means over 9,000 people have bought this product, and this is for 75 Malaysian ringgit, and it's free shipping. 75 Malaysian ringgit. Now, most of the times, these people, they don't own this product. I'm going to show you how you're going to get the product. I know you're thinking, how can I get the product? How can I get a wallet? Be calm. I'm going to show you how to do that a little bit. I'm just taking it a step at a time. So this is another product, right? A shirt. Now with this shirt, you can see it's just a plain shirt, right? But this design costs a dime to make. So you can literally buy the shirt from Pretify and design it with Pretify. You can just check for what is selling. And after you check what is selling, you have to check what is your passion in that niche that is selling. You check for your passion. After checking for your passion, you can just go for maybe shoes, a shirt, anything you want to sell that is really selling. Another shirt now, excuse me, this is another shirt, right? It's selling for 600. It has 600 reviews and sold at 47 Malaysian ringgit. Now this will be a good idea for Pretify. Now you can just choose what you want to sell here. Either is it a shirt, is it a bag, anything you decide to sell. Just choose something is is easy to sell, and you should think about your customers. What will your customers do? You should have that logic to think about what your customers really need and how to give them, to serve them what they need, so they can pay you. You should know what they need, so you can get what you want from them. You can get paid from them by serving them what they need. Now that is exactly how marketing works. You give your customers what they need in exchange for their cash. Now this is just a brief explanation on Etsy here. You can just come choose a product that is selling or any product you want. You can choose a niche here at Etsy. Now, depending on any country you are, products differs. That is, there are some products that sell higher in a different country, and there are some products that sell lower in a different country. So you have to make research here. You have to come make your own research. What products do I want to sell? What product is selling much on Etsy? Now Valentine just ended, or I don't know, maybe we're still in Valentine period now. So you can find some shirt, like maybe this one right here. Maybe someone can just decide to give this shirt, can just make a design on this black shirt and gives it to her loved ones, or his or her loved ones, or the opposite sex. And with just that, you've made a sale like that on Etsy. Now how do you get this shirt? I said I'm going to show you how you can get products. You don't have to bother about delivering the product or creating the product or manufacturing the product, nothing at all. But I'm going to show you how you can get the product and post them on your Etsy account. Now let me recap something. Let me repeat what I said initially. Etsy is a marketplace, a free marketplace. You don't have to pay for anything. You do not create product on Etsy. However, we need a product, we can go to Pretify. Now, Pretify here, you can just go to Pretify. This is Pretify. I want to go to the initial page for Pretify. Now, guys, this is Printify. How do you get this? Is Printify, and Printify here is a free platform, and it has paid. It has paid. Printify is a free platform. If you don't have money, it's free. And let's check the pricing for Printify here. Now, yes, you see. So you see, for those of you, as I've promised, I'm going to show you how you can do it without money. I'm still repeating the same thing. Well, this is it. If you don't have any budget for Printify, it's fine. You can sign up for Printify account for free. You don't need anything to sign up for Printify account. You can sign up for free, or you want to go for premium access of Printify, you can go for $29 per month, or you can go for enterprise. But if you're just starting, I would recommend going for free. So I've already signed up for Printify, as I've said. So I'll just go to Printify now, my store. Yep, so this is Printify. Now, here in Printify, you don't sell on Printify. Printify only accepts orders that your customers make on Etsy. Printify is not a marketplace. It's like a manufacturing company, an online manufacturing company. So now I haven't created my store on Printify. Now you can just add a store name. You can just decide, oh, you can just give a name that best suits what you're marketing. Is it fashion? Is it cat? Is it anything you're marketing? You can just decide. Maybe I want to give my name to be Fashion for Passion. The name of my store for passion. Maybe this is what I want. Fashion for passion. I'll just give it a name of my store. I've already named it. So you can just add some personal details, design your first product. So now we're going to go, after you've added everything, your details and everything, these are your details, you've added everything. So you connect your store, and if you can connect your store, which is you can connect your store, either a Shopify store or Etsy or Wix. So all this, they cost a dime. You don't need to have an eBay or WooCommerce or Wix or any of this. All you need is an Etsy account, which we created before initially. So you just connect your Etsy account to the Printify account. Now when you connect your Printify account, I'm going to show you how to get a product now. Now you can come here and add a product on Printify. You can choose what product do you want to add. So as I've said earlier, you have to choose what do you want to sell on Etsy. You want to sell men's clothes. I'm a man, obviously. So if you want to sell men's clothes, this is a white shirt, right? These are bestsellers. As you can see, they are known to be the bestsellers with over 5,000 reviews. This one also with over 3,000 reviews. So if you decide to buy this shirt for $7, it's a plain shirt, right? So I choose this shirt. I want to sell this shirt. I click on it. So it's going to bring me here. So I want to make a design, maybe a Valentine, maybe it's Valentine, right? So we want to make a design for a Valentine shirt. Maybe she's mine, he is mine, stuff like that. You just make a quick design. So you choose, where do you want design? Is it in the front of the shirt, or at the back of the shirt, or in the front of the men's shirt, or at the back of the men's shirt? So you just decide which type of design do you want. Do you want it in the front or in the back? There are many designs you can choose from, and here you can choose which country you want to do the design for you. Now as you can see, this is just the price of some designs, and this is their shipping fee. Some people do the design for 11. For Canada, you can have, maybe you choose Canada, your Etsy store is in Canada or any country, but I would recommend choosing a printing company which is closer to your order. Maybe you created an Etsy account in the United States. I would recommend using a United States Etsy, a United States printing company. So maybe we come to this printing dashboard, this printing company here. they offer an $8, and initially, if you remember, the price of the shirt is $7. So you buy a shirt for $7, you print the shirt for $8 or $9, and you ship the shirt to the consumer. That is $21. And we need to make profit, right? So what I always recommend, if you want to put your profit margin for any product online, make sure it is above 40%. That way you make a profit. Now let's assume with this product, we made the price of the product, both the printing and delivery and everything, is $21. So if you want to make profit from this, maybe you can sell it for maybe $30 or $35 or even more. I mean, $30 or $35 should be the average, your average selling point for the shirt in your Etsy store. Now, I hope I've made sense here. I hope you're understanding me. So, this is how you just set up an e-commerce store without having a dime or having to bother yourself paying for e-commerce store monthly or running ads that sometimes do not convert. So with that being said, I hope you find value in this tutorial on how you can make money online, how you can make $500 a day online. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I want to reach 500 subscribers before the end of this month. So I need you all to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And each and every day I'm going to bring videos that are really going to change your life, because this channel is definitely dedicated to you and helping you. That's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's tutorial on how you can start dropshipping for free. And if you really did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because each and every day I'm going to be dropping videos teaching you and showing you how you can leverage your laptop to make money online. Now there are several people making money with this business module I've shared with you. In fact, well, I learned this business module from someone, and he has a student who quit his job in 180 days. Guys, this is massive. In 180 days, he quit his job just from this business module selling on Etsy. Now you can do that. I am not promising you once again that you're going to quit your job in 180 days, but I am telling you that you can make money on Etsy if you want to. I am showing you how you can start an e-commerce store, start dropshipping without paying a dime on e-commerce or advertising. Now that was the goal, and hopefully I have delivered my promise. I have delivered as promised. I have done what I said I am going to do. And thank you very much for sticking with me till the end of this video. For those of you who are interested in this business module, I'm going to link the sites down in the description, so don't forget to check them out. And I'm going to drop my #1 recommendation to making money full-time income online. For those of you who are really interested, don't forget to check it out down in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.